Hi guys, today we are unboxing Einstein box ultimate slime kit for little scientists. We can make slime at home with the help of this kit. Now let's see what's inside in the kit. So there's a card given, thank you for choosing us. And this is clear glue 250 ml. And this is slime activator 100 ml. And this is the manual for how to make slime. See? And this is the cup, 2 cups for making slime in it. This is spatula. And these are some ice cream sticks, lollipop sticks. These are the 2 cups, measuring cylinder and ice cream cone. There is an activity in it. These are igloo eyes. I guess what it's given for. So here are some colors and sand and glitter, and this is crystal powder. So this is the mat for the mess. Okay, so that's all. So in my coming videos I'll show you how to make slime. Bye.